welcome back to Rochielin. In today's video, we're going to head to 5 popular supermarket chains here in Kingston, Jamaica, and we're going to be buying 10 grocery items. This is actually part 2 video. I have done a part 1 video before where I went to these 5 supermarkets, and in today's video we're heading to these 5 because prices are high and we don't like it. We're gonna be comparing to see which location gives us the best value for our money so that we can be informed when we're doing our grocery shopping. If you've seen the last video, comment below and let me know what you think about it. And I also want you to comment below and tell me which of these supermarkets you think is going to be the lowest and the best value for money. Comment below from now, watch it, and then when you find out what's it, then you comment below again. Alright, we're gonna be in for a ride, so I'm gonna encourage you to grab your popcorn, grab the rest of your family members, grab a couch, sit down, watch, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, so in Family Pride with FAMIELIN, and the list for today is corned beef, flour rice, ketchup, half a dozen egg, 6-pack of franks, Alaska cornflakes, oats and oil. So this have the breakfast, a little dinner, a little lunch. 10 items just like part 1 video. So let's now look for the items, cool?
Okay.
So we buy the franks fridge, so we need to find a 6-pack of franks.
Chicken?
Chicken franks, yeah.
6.
Yeah, there's no price now, I was just looking for the price. I didn't see the price for 6.
Old McDonald. Wing.
Alright, let's work with the old McDonald.
They look some big one, man. 6 eggs.
Okay. So ketchup, Lasco ketchup 153.81 and the Grace is 164.
And the Miracle is 107.
And the Miracle is what? 107. But I have a little bias. I like Grace tomato ketchup. Even though it's a little more expensive, let's get this one.
This one is similar. And the vegetable.
For big combis is 340. Eve is 401. So the Lasco is cheaper.
Yeah. Cornflakes, but I'm looking for red and white, but there's none, so we can go with the sunshine. We can box of the sunshine over there. What's the cost for it? What's what I mean?
What's the cost? So the cost for this is $208.69.
The one they normally buy, Ricky.
What, that one looks small?
Yeah, this the
tiny?
Yeah.
What's the cost for the bigger one?
$478.26.
Okay. So that's the difference in size of the two of them. No, let's get the bigger one for sure. Yeah, put out the small one.
Not even know, so they have the little one.
Tiny boxes. For the 2 pounds are 1 kilogram. So this is the 2 pounds, right? And how much is this?
$193.18.
Okay. Alright. Now for flour, I need another 2 pounds of flour, which is the same as 1 kilogram. How much is that?
$146.06.
Okay, good. So now for the last one. We should get vanilla Lasco. Which one I use my oats? Porridge. Oats porridge or cornflakes. Because the Lasco is to be double for both of that.
You can use the vanilla.
The vanilla, right?
So they have pineapple orange.
Pineapple.
Vanilla.
Here we go.
Vanilla.
So now we have our 10 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How much you think this is gonna cost? What's your guess?
2.5.
2,500? I'm guessing a flat $2,000. So let's go and see. We're at 1,400. 1,694. Oh God, it passed too. Oh, mommy, you win. It passed you. 2,800.
Yes, please. I am the winner.
2,880.
You know, me not gonna say 2.8.
So obviously mommy came the closest to it because the bill is 2.8. I guess 2,000, you guess 2.5. But still, I feel like it's high. Like them 10 things.
Then raise.
Yeah, like
Christmas.
I know it's raised, there's an increase in price and then Christmas on top of it. But good gosh, a little bit of something not enough for the 2.8. I thought it would have been like $2,000. So I'm really interested to see what the other supermarkets are going to cost because this one is known to be you know, one of the least expensive ones. So it's about to be an interesting video, so let's keep on watching. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go! So we're at the next location now. We're at Shoppers Fair, which is located
Boulevard.
on Washington Boulevard. It's Boulevard? Yeah, located on Washington Boulevard in Kingston, Jamaica. We're about to get the 10 items. I haven't been in the supermarket for a while and I'm actually impressed by how big and spacious it is. Wide. Kind of cool. But anyways, you ready? You ready? You ready? Can you explain to me why she not answer me if she ready? You ready?
I am ready. Always ready. I'm ever ready.
So each product have their own stand?
So
This is
yes.
Kendall.
The whole of that I heave.
And this is Grace. And over there is a
It's
new
a
pack.
Kendall.
And over there is a Surge. What are we? Everybody
And
get
it's
them
a
own
Kendall.
shelf.
And it's a miracle.
Over here is a Miracle. And Mila got them one. We need a Rochielin stand. Alright, we're looking for the items. We're still looking. So we're getting Kendall vegetable oil and the price is $301.82. For the 1 kilogram rice, which is the same as 2.2 pounds. 1 kilogram flour for $123.91. And they have whole wheat flour for $130, 68 cents, but we're getting the regular white flour today. Small Alaska corned beef for $314.27 and the larger Alaska corned beef for $455.76. We're getting the large one, so that's what it is. So we're still going. So it's December. It's almost Christmas. Are you looking forward to Christmas?
Oh yes.
Oh yeah? You baking this year?
Nope.
You cooking this year?
We don't bake anymore because PriceSmart has done it for us. And so does Mega Mart.
You're cooking this year?
I'm coming over for dinner. I am coming over. If you want me to cook, I have the things I'm over there and I will come cook.
Sounds like a plan.
Alright.
Sounds like every day. Oh, we're getting ketchup, and this is $140, $57. See,
Backside them have all bean soup mix, so we can just buy that on.
bean soup. Chickpea flour.
13 bean in a one. This can use make stew, you know?
You say much for that? 1,029.
Yes, but you know use all of this one time.
Don't go to cook that and it done.
No man.
Spin it around and miss the front.
Back.
Front. Thank you. Okay. It's a coconut flour, you know, coconut flour. You
Flour.
ever tried that? Or quinoa flour?
Yeah, me try quinoa.
Sweet potato pancake. But look on the price, I'm $1,400.
Yes, and that's for them.
Coconut ginger.
That means a small portion just to take off the good
1,400,
things.
1,200. 1,200.
Quinoa, don't
Hemp flour,
yeah.
1,740.
Ganja flour, that you know?
Almond flour, 1,354.
Spelt, you spelt.
Spelt. But I'm gonna spell that a little bit.
My tiny one.
We didn't see Lasco in the other place, but we can possibly try with this Lasco cornflakes here. It's $306.05. Wanna grab that? So we're getting Lasco now. The Lasco, the milk powder Lasco. Vanilla Lasco, $152.76. Yep, for one.
Oh, in Lasco past 100.
Long time. $152.
Half a bag.
Yep.
Who I pay for?
Yep. Remember last cost $50?
We should have buy a poly pump put on.
It's like a spoil and run your belly. So next up is the oats, and we're getting this size, which is the 400 gram for $220. No cents. Guys, everything got so much more expensive everywhere. It's not just Jamaica, and it's not just the supermarket, but it's like an everywhere thing. You know, crazy. So we're not seeing a 6-pack of sausage or frank, so we're gonna go with this regular Rainforest 5-pack. And this is $2.95 and 12 cents as displayed on the shelf.
I am.
So,
In here nice though and spacious.
yeah, it
And
is.
clean.
Yeah. What do you think about the prices though?
Comparable.
It's comparable. Alright, where are the eggs? Not big to me.
Yeah, them big.
Stanic Farms. So I
Take a
believe
good
we
pick
have
now.
our 10 items now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hi, say hi to them. Say hi to the people then first. Hi everybody.
My favorite YouTuber, literally, love the idea, lifestyle, everything. Like when we're all a reasoning video, that's how much I love your videos.
Oh.
Love it, love it, love it.
I'm gonna cry. What's your name?
I'm Olivia.
Olivia. Thank you so much for subscribing. I take it that you're a subscriber.
Yes, perfect.
I'm
Subscribe everything.
Yes, Olivia gonna see herself in this video.
I love the idea about the supermarkets because, you know, I want to compare the supermarkets as well, and Rochi is doing it all for us. So I love that. So I had commented and said, okay, she needs to know all the supermarkets that we shop at. We're here at Shoppers Fair, General next, hopefully going General Wong, all of them.
Yeah. So I have General Wong, General Wong, General Foods. I just came from Havendale's Family Pride.
Okay, so
and the whole world.
definitely
So this is part
guys,
two.
like, subscribe and share, be a part of the family, everything. We're nice time over here, definitely.
Hey, big up yourself, Olivia. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
So now that you see the 10 items in here, how much you think it costs?
2,600.
2006? You know, I'm gonna get 3,000. I'm a loser a while ago. I got $3,000.
Alright.
Shoppers Fair. Alright, to the cashier we go. Let's go. How much is this?
2,600.
Alright, so the bill came up to $2,867 and mommy guessed 2,600, you see so? Or 2,800?
2,600.
Well, in any case, she won again because I guessed $3,000. So, bummer. How much did you guys guess? And I hope that you've been guessing in the comment section, leaving your guesses below so that we can all play this game together. It's an experiment.
What there is it?
And I'm so happy that you guys are on this journey with me. Remember, I will be donating these items to persons in need. And when I do videos like these are to be donated. So if you know anybody that could benefit from any of these items that are doing these type of videos, definitely reach out to me and I'll have it delivered to them if they can pick it up. Alright? So on to the next location. On to the next location.
the next location is General Foods, located in Ligonier in Kingston, Jamaica. Guys, take a look at these ground food provisions that are pre-packaged. I know some of my older family members are not too keen on this, but hey, it's 2021 and this is what it is. Yes, you are seeing right. This is potatoes, yams, onions, everything peeled and ready for use.
Banana, yam, onion, sweet potato, look up also. And then I'm packed up in soup now. Banana, lemon, the Cashapp is 159.74. Cornflakes. Yeah. Alright. You like those?
Yeah, them big and nice.
Yeah. Chicken. I think of that?
No, serious.
Chicken franks. This is some prices. I don't know which one is which, so we're just gonna take one. It wasn't too hard finding the products, thank God. What do you think it's gonna cost?
$2,855.
I think 2,900. How much do you think? Comment below. Quick. Alright, so we just came out of the supermarket and this bill is $2,980. What did you guess? I won, I said 2,900. Mommy said 2,850. So I'm the closest.
It's a 2,855. Come, we could do the max.
I mean, it's a 2,900. And it's a 2,980. You're far. I mean, you
55.
win.
45 fit make it to that.
Yeah, but at 80, I'm more than 45.
45 plus 80.
Plus 80, I mean, I just 80.
Alright.
How much did you get? Did you guys win this one? So far, this is the most expensive. And they give me a hard time, let me tell you. Like, security is tight. And I don't understand Jamaican supermarkets. Like, when people come and video anything inside, it's free promotion. And then it's like, oh, you don't want video because you don't want to show the price and you don't want to show the people. Like, you're not hide. You're weird.
The fourth stop is John R. Wong Supermarket in New Kingston, Jamaica.
$208.05. Look inside. Nice. Doesn't that look good? Vanilla Lasco, how much is it?
162.20.
What says $134.95. Cornflakes. Sunshine, but that's a small one. $3.45. There we go. This one. Yeah, see that one is smaller.
Vegetable oil. 307.60. No, that's yeah.
464.50.
3,000.
How much do you guys think the card is gonna come up to? I think $3,100. Let's go to the cashier.
Yeah, the the price is right. Hey, look, sir. I bet you me away.
Nope. 27.
Woo. Guys, guess who won?
Me. What was your guess? This is $2,757.
And I said 3 grand.
said
You said 3-1.
Yeah. But
I won.
I just learned that this supermarket, even though it's called John R. Wang, it's actually a branch of Rochielin. Remember, I had showcased Rochielin in the last video that I did.
Supermarket.
And they were one of the cheapest supermarkets. I know it's proven to be one of the cheapest in this video as well. So I'm not sure if John R. Wang acquired them or they acquired John R. Wang, but whatever it is, all the ladies inside are wearing the Rochielin shirts and they're saying that they're a branch of it. So it's interesting. Anyways, only one stop to go. Do you think that
Yes,
will
sir.
be cheaper or not? Let me know. We are at Lee's Food Fair on Red Hills Road. And look, they have Christmas lights and decorations going on. So I was trying to just do it quickly and done.
You still need a bag?
What are them of? Vegan cheesy mac. Vanilla Alaska. Woo. Vanilla Alaska, here we go.
You want to read that way?
Yeah. So it is $693.40. Not cool. Corned beef, Alaska corned beef for $55.80. Oil, $301.90. It's just regular ketchup, like the small bottle to this.
You know.
Is this it? This is a big one, right?
Yeah.
Hot
I just one,
flavored.
it's a Scotch bonnet one.
Yeah.
Got the hot one with the pepper.
385 gram. Alright, let's take our Alaska equivalent. And this is for $152.30. Our Eve is $148.44, so we'll go with our Eve. Start now. In half true eggs for $223. Yeah. Alright, so now we're at the oats. And it is for $225.30. We're getting there. Rice and flour. Rice is $163.
163.90.
$215. $239. That one more expensive. $215 it is. Right. So only one thing to go, and that's the frankfurters. These ones are big and fat, you know this? They're fatter than the ones that we've been seeing in the other supermarket.
Great dog.
Chicken franks?
Yeah.
Alright, there we go. Not all 10 items now. How much do you think this is gonna cost?
I'm still sticking to my 2.8.
2.8 flat?
2.850.
I'm gonna go 2.8 flat. So let's see. How much do you guys think it's gonna be? Let me show you what the card looks like. So these are the items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How have you guys been enjoying the video? Have you been? If you are, leave a comment below. said 2.8, you said 2.850. You say it?
Hold on, me try remember.
2.850 you said.
And you said 2.8.
Yeah.
Now 50 there gonna make me win you.
Yeah, sing a man. Yeah, sing a man.
Rushy, you win.
3,000.
You win. You win, Rushy. Gone over.
3,200. Wow.
A 3 million I go say, you know.
This is the most. So guys, the bill came to 3,200 and change. And I guess 2,850. $50 more than FAMIELIN did. So I won. But this, I think, is the most expensive supermarket, right?
Of them all.
Yeah, and we are at Lee's Food Fair on Red Hills Road. So I want to thank you all for watching, and I hope that you learned something from this video. The biggest takeaway is that prices have definitely increased right across the board, here and abroad. In Kingston and outside of Kingston, prices have just gone up. And in part 1 video, I explained some of the possible reasons why prices have increased, so you can check it out for more explanation. As we saw in episodes 1 and 2, the prices vary in a different location. Some items are cheaper in one location, while another item is cheaper in another location. And you could, if you want, go to one location to purchase some things and go to another location to purchase some things, so that you can maximize on the value that you get from each location. But then you'll have to decide if it's actually worth it. If saving a few dollars is worth it. Is it worth it in the time that you're going to spend to be doing this? Worth it in the transportation cost, whether you're going to be using personal transportation in gas, or you're going to be using public transportation, etc. So there's a lot of things that you have to assess to say, okay, is it worth it to be going to multiple locations to buy the different grocery, or just stick to one that is relatively inexpensive, or, you know, none of them are inexpensive, but which one you say, okay, this one may give me the best value. I want to give a special thank you to one of my subscribers, or as we call you guys over here, the FAMIELIN members, Mr. Doran Mitchell. He donated $100 towards the making of this video, and that $100 was used to purchase all the items that were donated in this video. Remember that these videos, these type of videos, when I do them, they're for donation purposes. The items don't go to me, they go to people in need. And I usually put out that information on Instagram or so, and persons write in to tell me who they think can benefit from the item. Somebody may tell me somebody in a homeless shelter, or somebody in a home, or somebody who just knows somebody who could use it. And that's the method I use to distribute the items, whether from Instagram people or YouTube people. They tell me who and where to go. Sometimes I record that process, other times I don't, because, you know, sometimes when people are in need like that, they prefer not to be on camera, and I also try to respect people's privacy. For those who want to be on camera, you'll definitely see them on camera. This video was also made possible in part by my Patreon family members. I now have 2 family members over there. I have Alex Jack and Philip Zoltan. Thank you so much for being a Patreon. If you want to help to fund any of these type of videos, you can A, donate directly by using any of the transfer mediums that I have, whether it's PayPal, whether it's Zelle, whether Cashapp, etc. Or if you're local, bank-to-bank transfer, I'll accept donations there. Or you can be a Patreon family member. And one of the tiers in the Patreon family members is specifically to donate into a cause, to help fund someone in a home, somebody in need, etc. Because you guys know my heart is, you guys know I love to help people and I love to give back. So I can't fund all of them, obviously, because it is an expensive venture to undertake at times. So your donation will be greatly appreciated. And of course, once donation is received, you know how I do things. It's transparent so that you guys can see where your money is going. And remember, this is part 2, so you can click below in the description bar to watch part 1, or it may pop up here. And I do this type of videos to showcase the cost of living in Jamaica, to show you what's going on the ground. I have several other videos that show you in the marketplace, at the local shop, Coronation Market, Linstead Market, etc. And I have other supermarket videos and other types of videos that really speak to the cost on the ground. So please
check them out. And I want to say thank you so much for your support. It means the world to me. It's Christmas time. Happy holidays to all of you. Enjoy the time with your family. If you're spending with your family or your friends or even alone, just be grateful that we're here. Be grateful that we're alive. Many didn't make it to see it now, so we have to be grateful and thankful even if we're going through a little thing right now. You understand? So, you know, we all go through things at time. Thank you so much for your support. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Happy rest of 2021 and happy 2022 when it comes. Bye.